Hello! In this video, we will be showing you how to replace the pipette plunger wire. You will need your pipette, a new plunger wire, and a sample tip. First, we'll start by unscrewing the calibration gauge and the key from the pipette. The calibration gauge and key is used to tighten the set screw for the plunger wire and set the proper calibration depth for a 20 microliter sample. Next, you'll rotate the sampler shaft until the calibration set screw appears beneath the axis hole in the side of the sampler body. Place the key end of the calibration gauge into the axis hole and turn counterclockwise. Carefully remove the old sampler wire and discard. Remove your new plunger wire from its packaging. Gently attach the sampler tip to the wire to help you place the new wire correctly. Be careful not to bend the wire during this process. Slip the sampler plunger wire into the sampler tip so the Teflon plunger tip protrudes about 1/16 or 1.66 millimeters as shown here. Please note that the sampler plunger wire cannot be placed into the sampler tip without force. Do not tighten the plunger wire. Remove the key end of the calibration gauge and push the sampler plunger wire into the sampler as far as it will go. Now tighten the calibration set screw with the calibration gauge. Screw the calibration gauge and key back into the top of the sampler. Your 20 microliter sampler is now calibrated and ready for use.